Right, traders, welcome back to the channel. Here we have a very anticipated new style video I'm doing, just kind of experimenting with PowerPoint and stuff. But I'm going to be introducing a topic today which is super powerful, and it's something which you can implement in your own trading as well. So it's essentially using the concept of order flow with ICT. And what do I now mean by order flow, right? So what is order flow? So order flow itself is understanding the interaction between buyers and sellers at key levels, right? We're going to be understanding what we mean by an aggressive participant versus a passive participant at key levels. And we're going to be using things like volume, delta, and finished versus unfinished auctions at key levels. Notice how I've underlined and really highlighted the word key levels, because everything comes down to essentially bullish POIs and bearish POIs, understanding supply and demand zones, and understanding the basics of where we look for price action and how we determine who is in control. So from here now, let's introduce the concept of a footprint chart. So a footprint chart, as you can see on your screen, is quite simply a depiction, right? So here we have a bearish footprint chart, for example. This is, a bearish candle, and on the right, we have a bearish footprint chart, right? So what we need to understand is that a footprint chart gives us detailed information, which, as you can see, a candlestick does not. What we understand is we have numbers on the left and we have numbers on the right. So for basic knowledge, what people should understand is that you have a bid, which is on the left, and you have the ask, which is on the right, right? So again, before we move on to that and come into some more detail, we need to understand everything in terms of supply and demand zones, right? So these are essentially key levels, supply and demand zones, right? So what you see here is a supply and demand zone.